Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Stripe not showing on Shopify or not available on Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable it inside your Shopify. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Of course, I'm going to do that right now. Now, after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, so after guys you click on settings, you want to click here on payments. Okay, so after guys you click on payments, like I said, you want to click on payments, and here it says payment providers in the top. You want to click on choose a provider. Okay, so now you want to search for Stripe. As you can see now, it's like Stripe is available in my country, as you can see Stripe, but if I changed my country to another country, Stripe will say here not available or not not compatible, something like that. I'm going to try it right now. If I click on general and I select another country here, Stripe is not going to appear on my on the list. Okay, so what you guys need to do to fix this problem, like if the Stripe is not showing on third-party providers, then what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on general, and you want to click on this billing address. Like next to billing address, you can find this pin icon here or pin button. You want to click on it, and you want to change the country to United States, and the state you need to change it to USA version Island. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. You want to change this state to USA version Islands, and you want to click on save. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, is you want to just go back and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on payments. Now you will be able to find Stripe inside your Shopify payment section here. As you can see, payment providers, like these payment providers are not approved by Shopify, by the way. Like these are supported payment methods here, as you can see in their PayPal. If you click here on add payment method, you will be able to see all Shopify payment methods that are available with one of the Shopify's approved payment providers. Okay, so the third payment providers are not approved by Shopify, but that's the reason why they charge here a fee of $2. I'm sorry, of 2%. So it's transaction, the transaction fee is going to be 2% for any third-party provider you connect with your Shopify. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so you want to click here on choose a provider, and you want to search for Stripe. Now, if you search here for Stripe, it's going to you will be able, of course, to connect. I'm going to connect my own Stripe account right now, but some people, Stripe is not available in their country. Okay, so that's a very huge problem there, and Stripe is not going to be available. Stripe is only available in a few countries. Okay, so I'm going to enter here a verification code that they have sent to my phone right now, and I am going to okay, Stripe is okay, this verification code here is 7991. Okay, I'm going to add it here right now, 746991. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I have added now the account. As you can see, you can click on create a new account if you want, but they are not going to allow you to create Stripe if Stripe is not available in your country. Now, what you guys need to do in this case, I am going to show you guys a solution which a lot of people a lot of my friends did the exact same thing that I'm about to show you right now. I'm going to click on continue. As you can see here, it says business location. So they are not saying your location, they're saying your business location. Okay, so the business location here, like a few countries are available in this list. Okay, so for example, if you want to create LLC in the United States, you want to then select the business location in the United States. If you want to create LLC in France, like if you have a family member in France and they can help you, give you all the requirements, the commands, like their address, their home address, and some personal information, you can just select here France. Okay, you can just, or Spain, like if you have a family member in Spain, you can just create Stripe using their own details. Okay, but if you don't have anyone outside of your country, you can just create an LLC in United States, but this is going to cost you some money. It's like $150. That's exactly how much you are going to pay each year, I believe. Okay, so you just need to click here on United States, and here the type of business, of course, you will have to select individual. Click on continue. Okay, in the next speech, guys, they are going to ask you guys for some information like their legal first name. So this is like your legal first name that is shown on your government ID. Okay, your ID. Okay, it's like exactly what you need to do. You want to add here your legal first name here. Now, if you're like someone, like if you have a family member in France, you can use their legal name in like their first name and the last name here. And here it says here email address. Okay, so the email address here, as you can see, you want to enter your email address and the date of birth here. You just need to enter that. And here, as you can see, we have selected United States. Now these address and stuff like that, it will be available after you create LLC in United States. It's going to cost you, like I said, $150. That's exactly how much it's going to cost you. Also, this last 4 digits of security code will be available to you after you create LLC in United States. Like I said, that's the requirement, guys, is to create LLC in United States so that they can like give you or provide you all the information Stripes requires you here, as you can see, or asks you for here. Now that's exactly what you need to do. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you have like anything you want to ask, go to the comments below and ask me. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next. Please drop a like on this video, that will be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.